Ever feel like your body is saying ouch a little too loudly? We've all been there. Whether it's from a tough workout, a long day at the office, or just the stresses of daily life, our muscles can take a beating. Our muscles work hard, and sometimes they need a little TLC. A gentle massage or a good stretch can do wonders, but there's more we can do to help our bodies recover. That's where yoga comes in, like a gentle hug for your body. It not only stretches out those tight spots, but also helps to calm the mind and rejuvenate the spirit. Let's discover how just 10 minutes of yoga can melt away muscle soreness and leave you feeling refreshed. With consistent practice, you'll find that your body feels more flexible, your mind more at ease, and your overall well-being improved. Imagine this: gentle stretches that ease tension, increase flexibility, and boost circulation. Picture yourself in a serene outdoor setting, surrounded by the calming sounds of nature. The fresh air fills your lungs as you move through each pose, feeling the stress melt away. That's the magic of yoga for sore muscles. It's not just about physical relief, it's about finding a moment of peace in your busy day. It's like hitting the reset button on your body, leaving you feeling rejuvenated and ready to take on the day. Each stretch and pose helps to release built-up tension, making you feel lighter and more energized. Plus, it's a wonderful way to relax your mind while you care for your body. The combination of movement and mindfulness creates a holistic experience that nurtures both your physical and mental well-being. Ready to begin? Let's flow! Today, we'll guide you through a simple yet effective yoga routine that you can do anywhere, anytime. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, this sequence will help you connect with your breath, stretch your body, and calm your mind. Child's pose. Start on your hands and knees. This pose is a gentle way to begin your practice, allowing you to center yourself and set an intention for your session. Bring your big toes together and sit back on your heels, or as far as is comfortable. This position helps to stretch your hips, thighs, and ankles while promoting relaxation. Fold forward, resting your forehead on the mat. Breathe deeply and relax. Feel the gentle stretch along your spine and the release of tension in your back. Cat-cow stretch. Come back to your hands and knees. This dynamic movement will help to warm up your spine and improve flexibility. As you inhale, arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin to your chest. This is cat pose, which helps to stretch the back and neck. As you exhale, drop your belly, lift your chest, and look up like a cow. This is cow pose, which opens the chest and stretches the front of the body. Repeat this flow 5 to 10 times. Move with your breath, feeling the fluidity and ease in your spine. Downward facing dog. From your hands and knees, tuck your toes and lift your hips up and back, forming an upside-down V shape. This pose is great for stretching the entire body. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart and your feet hip-width apart. This alignment helps to distribute your weight evenly and maintain balance. Relax your head and neck, letting your ears frame your arms. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and the lengthening of your spine. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths. Use this time to deepen your breath and find stillness in the pose. Forward fold. Walk your feet to the top of your mat, standing with your feet hip-width apart. This transition helps to bring your practice to a standing position. Bend forward from your hips, letting your head and arms hang heavy. This pose releases tension in your back and shoulders. Gently sway from side to side, releasing tension in your spine. Feel the gentle massage along your back as you move. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths. Allow your body to relax and your mind to quiet. Mountain pose. Slowly roll up to standing, stacking your vertebrae one by one. This mindful movement helps to realign your spine. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, arms at your sides. Feel the strength and stability in your stance. Relax your shoulders and feel your connection to the earth. Take 5 deep breaths. With each inhale, feel your body fill with energy, and with each exhale, release any remaining tension. This simple routine can be a powerful way to start your day or wind down in the evening. Namaste. Section 4. Breathe and believe the power of yoga. As you move through these poses, remember to breathe deeply. Your breath is your anchor, connecting your mind and body. With each inhale, imagine drawing in energy and relaxation. With each exhale, release tension and stress. Section 5. Your daily dose of relaxation. These simple stretches are like a mini vacation for your muscles. Incorporate them into your daily routine, and you'll soon notice a world of difference. You'll feel more flexible, less achy, and more energized. So go ahead, unroll that mat, and give your body the gift of yoga.